how to turn on dark mode on Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can turn on dark mode on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn on dark mode on your Messenger app, open up the Messenger app, and usually this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now what you have to do from here is to simply tap on the three lines option from the top left, and currently you can see I'm on light mode, so tap on this little gear icon over here. When you tap on the gear icon, right here you can see dark mode. So it has three options: off, on, or system. So if you want to turn it off completely, you can turn it off. If you want it to follow your system, which means if your phone is in dark mode, then your Messenger app will also be in dark mode, or you can simply tap on the on option to turn on dark mode on your Messenger successfully. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then turn on dark mode on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon as always in the next video.